Hello friends, day 18. I spent the night at Ian's flat in Bath, or Bath for those of my friends up north, and we went out for a nice meal at his friend David's. Thank you, David. So a late night, not a particularly early start this morning. A nice breakfast with Ian and had some more chat, and eventually I did leave the flat and climbed up out of Bath on the Cotswold Way, which I have to say is the best marked long distance path that I've used. Brilliantly marked. Some lovely views, and then recently I've come through Pennsylvania and I'm camped up for the night near the equally wonderfully named Old Sodbury. So let's have a look at some of the views from today.